If you're doing free drone work right now, you might be one idea away from your first paying client. I didn't get my first client from better flying or better gear. I got it from a job I didn't even want. My wife signed me up to shoot a chamber event at a local shotgun park for free. And I'm thinking, what did you just sign me up for? Live event, people everywhere, no control. Not where you want to be starting out. So I drove out early to check it out. And it got worse. The whole event was in the sporting clays course. Woods, tight clearings, bad sight lines, and shotguns going off everywhere. I'm thinking, this is going to be a disaster. But then I walked into the clubhouse and saw something that changed everything. A map. Blown up Google Earth from like 2006, blurry, outdated, and right there I thought, I can help these guys. Because when you compare that to this, it's not even close. The chamber event, that was the job. The local shooting park, that was the opportunity. So the morning before the event, I flew a quick ortho map. No contract, no expectations, just something useful. I labeled all their stations, clean layout, sent it in an email. Thanks for letting me work the event. That's it. And honestly, total shot in the dark. That's where I was back then. Just looking for things that might be useful. Made a bunch of maps. This one just hit. About 30 minutes later, my phone rings. It's the manager. He goes, "What is this?" And my first thought was, uh-oh. Then he says, "This is incredible. Can you do more of this?" That was it. First paying client. The chamber event, it went fine. But that wasn't the win. The win was paying attention to the business hosting it. That's when it clicked. The job you're given isn't always the opportunity. I didn't win that job because I was the best pilot. I won it because I solved a problem they didn't see. And it didn't stop there. They brought me back again and again. 5 more paid shoots, even one at night. My footage ended up in their safety videos, their marketing, everything. All from one free project. There are opportunities everywhere, but most people miss them because they focus on what they want to shoot instead of what a business needs. If you slow down and pay attention, you'll see it. Look for things that are outdated, unclear, or just accepted. That map, nobody complained about it. Nobody asked for better, but it was still a problem. That's where the opportunity was. If you're doing free work, be intentional. Don't just fly something random. Fly something you can make obviously better. Show before and after that hits instantly, and then send it. That's how free work turns into paid work. That's how you get your first real client. And honestly, that's how you build a business. The Chamber of Commerce event was the job, but paying attention, that's what built the business. And yeah, once again, proving what a genius my wife is. I'm Steve with Drone Services of Kansas City. If this was helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.